Ever get so scared that your brain does that hamster on a wheel thing? You know you should be doing something, anything, say anything, but instead you're stuck, eh? You're stuck up here. You're rewatching your worst case scenario movie on repeat. That's stress. That's danger. It makes you tunnel inward. Your feelings get so loud, your common sense just packs up and leaves. Not helpful when someone's in your face. Not helpful when danger is close. What you need to do is you need to act fast. Well, here's a wee slice of psychology for you. When stress hits, your brain wants to obsess about you, how you feel, how scared you feel, how sweaty your palms are, what you think should be right, what you think should happen, and wow, and why can't that happen, right? It's classic and it's completely useless in the moment. Look, your brain is spinning out of control, right? Because it's our body sending us these signals. We talked about that. It wants you to hear these danger signals, but you've done that. You've honored the sensations. And now what you got to do is you got to turn off that radio. You're going to be fine. You heard your body. Now you're going to turn off all that screaming so you can go ahead and act on it. So what do? Well, we pull an old switcheroo. We stop studying our own belly button and we start studying them. We're going to play detective. I want you to channel your inner Columbo, or for the younger crowd out there, your Sherlock Holmes with Wi-Fi. Ask yourself, what is this Yahoo really after? Why are they here? What's their angle? What's coming out of their mouth? And more importantly, what's not? Look at them like you're people watching at the airport, but the stakes are bigger, but it's the same process. Notice their clothes. Did they put them together or did they get dressed during an earthquake? Are they standing tall, puffing out their chest? Are they nervous? Are they jittery themselves? Fear's a slippery little bugger. A lot of times it hides behind anger. So ask questions, calm ones. You don't have to agree with what they're saying. You're not auditioning for a new best friend. What you're doing is you're gathering intel. Now, here's the golden nugget. Do it honestly. No sneaky, no Jedi mind tricks. Honesty makes you solid. Try lying in that tense moment and watch how fast you get yourself tangled into a pretzel. Sometimes you got to name the demon out loud. Try a wee interrupter while you're at it. Tilt your head, squint a little bit. Look to the side. Oh, wait a second. What'd you just say? You might have a point there. Let me see if I get this right. Why don't you back up and start again? And this time, I'm going to really listen. Basically, if I haven't said it already, you honestly want to understand their perspective. Right. Danger staring you down, and what you want to do is you want to understand the other guy. Why are they here? What do they want? What part do they want me to play in all of this? So what's going on is, okay, so the moment that you shift from, oh no, how do I feel, right, all tight, whatever, to, wait a second, what's really happening here? Your brain unjams, and suddenly you see options. Suddenly you're calm-ish, maybe not totally calm, but more calm. Like stress doesn't just vanish, but it does back off a little bit once you start doing something. And what you're doing is you're solving a puzzle instead of like going cross-eyed while you stare at it. And that, my friends, is how you keep your brain switched on when things are getting a little spicy. Let's keep giving you more stuff. We'll see you in the next video.